Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix message not sent on TikTok. So if you try to send message on TikTok, then here you find the option of not sent. Then I will show you how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here let's try to send any message to someone. Here you can see there message not sent. So how you can fix this? First of all, here you will have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here open setting of your device. Then first of all, make sure that you are using strong internet connection. So after making sure that you are using strong internet connection, then you will have to again open TikTok application. Then after that, you will need to tap on profile. Then tap on three lines on the right side upper corner. After that, you will need to tap on setting and privacy. Then here again tap on privacy. So here you will need to scroll it below. So here is the direct message option. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here is the direct message. You will have to just tap on this. Then here you will have to select that everyone. After that, close this. Then after that, here the read status. You will have to just simply turn on this toggle. Then here's the safe mode. You will have to also turn this on. After that, go back, and then you will have to tap on account. Then here is user information. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then here is the date of birth. Here make sure that your date of birth should be more than 18 years. If your age is less than 18 years, then you will have to set the age more than 18 years. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to open again TikTok. Then you will have to again tap on profile. Then tap on three lines on the right side upper corner. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll it below. So here is the report a problem. You will need to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Here is the option of submit a report. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to briefly explain your problem, that you are not able to send message on TikTok. Here you are facing the problem message not sent on TikTok. Then after that, here you will have to upload a screenshot from here. Then after that, you will have to submit. Then after that, within 24 hours, TikTok team will resolve your problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.